So we are doing combo deals on this fridge. Sam, why? Because it's only me that's going to give you best deal. Now you are going to be getting 2 of this fridge and placing it on a very good price, 63,000 naira only, excluding shipping fee. These 2 fridge, you are going to get it for 63,000 naira only, excluding shipping fee. Now combo deal, oh. See what's in your 63k go get you. If they view see if you drop this one for house, you get restaurants or hotel. If you drop see 63k neatly used. You no get any fault. Technically, no problem. If you are interested, send me a DM. 2 of them 63,000 naira without shipping fee. Thank you.